I think, everybody here knows, my favorite expression, and in terms of how am I going to benefit from BIM? The first thing I respond to most people is, picture is worth 1,000 words. If you have that visual interface and you can see what your data is associated with, it makes things so much easier and solves so many issues. And if you readily have that information available in the office, or whether it's in the field, and everything is attached to it, just imagine what you can do with it from a facilities standpoint, from a maintenance standpoint, or from an operations standpoint. You can virtually operate your facility. If you're looking at remote sensing and that comes in to your model, you have immediate knowledge of what's going on in your particular facility, and you can react to it as need be. If your maintenance staff has that information readily available, so that they're not searching for those manuals or those maintenance criteria, work orders, and so forth. It's all right there, and it's at their fingertips. Imagine how much time is saved by being able to have ready access to that. If you can do predictive analysis and see what's going to happen in your particular facility based on recurring events, that helps you plan so much better in the future for what you're going to need and how to reduce downtime for your particular facility. As Mark Kay had mentioned, if you're in a campus type atmosphere, imagine if we've got multiple buildings, I can whittle down to exactly what building it is that I need to be at very quickly, and see where that building sits, where it sits. We do a lot of work in the water and wastewater industry, and a lot of our large cities have hundreds, if not thousands, of water or sewage pump stations. Imagine if I can see where pump station 2CX is by just calling it up my computer and immediately seeing through the model and through Esri's interface where that pump station is, where it's located, and see through the model what it is that I need within that particular pump station to fix the pump that may be malfunctioning that I'm seeing on my remote sensing. Very quickly respond to those particular instances. Again, in a campus setting, rifle down through that particular building and see the rooms that are in that building and do some planning, some space planning within those particular rooms. See where the work order is for the projector that's not working. Well, I guess we're not using projectors anymore, but for that particular item that's not working, the computer that's not working in that particular classroom. So much that can be accomplished with the digital twin by just having that visual interface and the data that's associated with it be present for you in the office or in the field.